Imagine having a home where you can watch the rocket launches from your backyard. Hi, I'm Mark Rawmaker at Serhant, and welcome to 1355 War Eagle Circle in Titusville, Florida. Come with me as we explore this charming 3-bedroom home that sits on a full acre and is only minutes away from the ocean.
There's a heat wave, yeah. There's a party in the streets and the city's on fire.
Featuring a screened-in heated pool and a wealth of potential, this property is ready to become your personal haven.